Hello there. I would like to introduce myself to you. So, my name is Yawanat Sokantat. You can call me Phone. I was born in Leh, Thailand. I am a first year from Mahasarkham University. My major is English for International Communication. In 2012, when I was a senior in high school, I got a scholarship for exchange student in America for 1 year in Wisconsin State. The reason why I apply work and travel USA program is I would like to try new things, get new experience, improve my English skill, learn about different culture. I think you should hire me because I am a hardworking, fast learner, honest. That is about myself. Thanks about your time. I hope to see you in America soon. Bye.